People are not serious about NMAT. Either you get a CAT by 95 percentile or you get nuance. Which means if you've got a call, you to be bloody more serious, else you are fooling around.
Before entering the exam, like one day prior to my interview, I had read somewhere that you should write because AI sometimes doesn't pick your words or doesn't pick the right words. So you should write. So I came with that mentality.
And when you are writing, तो पीछे वाला जो panelist बैठा है, who can also ask you some questions, उसको भी पता ही नहीं तुम क्या टाइप कर रहे हो.
Even though as soon as you step in for the interview, first 12 minutes the AI took, then the next 8 minutes the panelist took. So as soon as you sit in, the AI bombards you. जैसे ही चालू हुआ, it felt like it's gonna get over. मतलब time पता ही नहीं चला उस 45 minutes में कैसे निकला.
And this
difficulty level were not the same for everyone. So every day the difficulty level was different.
यार AI टेस्ट तक तो जब पहुंचोगे जब तुम All right, hi everyone, welcome on board. यही बोलना चाह रही थी ना तुम मुझे. They wanted me to start the video with this and they were trying on their own. But nevertheless, boys and girls, today it's a Cat King homecoming session and we got this Cat King family who is sitting in NMMS. Normally homecoming वालों को हम center में बुलाते हैं, but I got a request like if I can come and we can do the shoot here. Welcome guys, welcome. How does it feel, yaar? How does it feel, bro?
Accomplished to begin with, sir. मतलब हम we used to watch you from that side of the camera, and with the yellow pages we are missing the yellow pages.
So that's true कि ऐसा नहीं कि 209 पे कॉल कर लिया and then you not converting the call. There are people who
But sir,
converted.
it's also like it's not like they are any less competent than us. They are right there with us. I mean, most of them are scoring more in the academics. ICA is there is term and exam.
बढ़िया.
There
तो
are various factors that depends. Like they might be having a very good portfolio or something. Like it sometimes it also depends that if it's your day, it's your day. Like मैंने जब CAT दिया था तो it was not my day. मेरी बहुत एकदम बैंड बजी पड़ी थी.
बोल दे क्या बोल रहे हो.
हाँ तो बहुत बैंड बजी पड़ी थी तो उसके बाद आई थॉट कि चलो ठीक है. इनफैक्ट तो मैंने लिटरली ऐसे ही दिया था विदाउट एनी होप. बट ठीक है हो गया. तो आई फील
ऐसे मत बोला, पढ़ाई करने की इनको ज्ञान देना है.
मेहनत भी बहुत करी है बहुत
बढ़िया. गुड
और स्टार्टिंग सर के एक मोटिवेशनल वीडियो से होता है रैंडमली. मेरा कोई प्लान भी नहीं था वैसे एमबीए करने का, बट ऐसे ही आई वाज सिटिंग एट द नाइट एंड मैं बीटेक कर रही थी. आई हैव अ बीटेक बैकग्राउंड. सो ऐसे ही सेकंड थर्ड ईयर में आई थॉट कि ओके चलो देखते हैं क्या चल रहा है. देन आई रैंडमली स्टॉम्प ऑन योर वीडियो एंड आई जस्ट थॉट कि ठीक है अब नेक्स्ट हम एमबीए करेंगे. सो नेक्स्ट ईयर आई प्लान्ड एवरीथिंग कि ओके सर की वीडियो से मेनली स्टार्ट होता. आपका जो एक प्लानर था कि अभी स्टार्ट कर दो प्रिपरेशन, नेक्स्ट ईयर में तुम लोग का ये हो जाएगा. तो आई फॉलोड योर टाइम टेबल. सो इट वाज
awesome. Coming back to competency test, यार मुस्कान ये 50% वेटेज तो competency test का है, right? How was your experience of the competency test? How does it work, by the way? उस दिन पे they gonna call because जिनको ये वाली बात पता नहीं, जिन लोगों ने NMAT सीरियसली, आई थिंक जब तक वीडियो जाएगा NMAT शुरू हो चुका होगा शायद, एंड या मे बी पहले चला जाए. तो अगर NMAT जो लोग दे रहे हैं, आफ्टर दैट 25% of the audience they're going to call to Bombay, right? Ballpark, right? 209 will be around, I think 75th to 80th percentile in CAT. पहली बात तो ये बहुत बड़ी लॉटरी है कि 75th percentile in RC Monji in India में you are getting a call from NMMS Bombay. Comparing NMMS with SIBM, SCMHRD, IIMs, New IIMs, Sambalpur, Sirmaur, वो सब बातें अपन पार्क करते. जो ये क्वेश्चन कन्वर्ट करने वाले पहले मेरे को पूछ रहा था सर कहाँ जाऊँ मैं, बट वो सब चीजें बाद में. बट पहले तो इस इक्विवेलेंसी का कॉलेज मिल रहा है. People are not serious about NMAT. My advice to you is either you get a CAT by 95 percentile or you get new IIMs, right? Or you get a 99 percentile in SNAP and you compare with SIBM or SCMHRD. Or you get a 75th percentile mark as per last year data, get a 209 and get an interview call and convert it also and sit inside an RC Monji Bombay. Which means if you've got a call, you to be bloody more serious, else you are fooling around. Because there are people who have made it for sure. इनके बैचमेट्स ही हैं. और ये भी 221 वाले भी अंदर बैठे हुए हैं. 221 पे तो कॉल नहीं आता था पहले, बिल्कुल भी नहीं आता. Let's talk about competency test. मुस्कान, sorry for interrupting. क्या था यार 50% weightage competency? How was it?
Yeah, so वो माहौल याद करके I entered the college and then we were asked to sit in a area where everyone was waiting for their competency and labs were allotted. So we had to go to the labs, give the exams. Then we were asked to wait in the auditorium and separate groups के अंदर as per the group panel we were asked to go to the rooms. So there was this 12-minute interview with the AI. I just went there. There was one teacher. I don't remember the name of the teacher, but she was sitting there. एंड वही कंप्यूटर की स्क्रीन थी सामने एंड मैं किससे बात करूँ लाइक दैट. सो या लैपटॉप की स्क्रीन एंड आई वाज आस्क्ड टू एंटर एंड रेज्यूमे आई गेस उसमें ऑलरेडी फीड था
अच्छा.
एंड
Your
उसको मैं
SOP which you submitted.
yes
right?
the
हाँ.
SOP thing was already तो they had an idea कि मेरा इंटरव्यू होगा एंड the एंटर दबाते ही क्वेश्चन आने लग गए. आई हैड टू गो थ्रू इट एंड उसके हिसाब से आंसर.
So it's like there is a screen on a table and there is a teacher who's sitting behind. ऐसा कुछ.
टीचर वाज विजिलेंट कि हम कोई चीटिंग नहीं कर रहे, ऐसे पॉज मे बी दैट वाज द पर्पस एंड देन नो 12 मिनट पूरा वो इंटरव्यू चला एआई के साथ में. इट वाज वेरी वियर्ड क्योंकि वो स्क्रीन के साथ बात करने के लिए
Okay.
हम
Was it a Q&A? हाँ.
There were two options. Like we could also do typing to write an answer. There was this voice option also. So the invigilator suggested us to do voice.
So I
Voice
would
transcript.
also actually suggest not to write because
Yeah,
I
Hmm,
also
yeah.
heard before. No, so before entering the exam, like one day prior to my interview, I had read somewhere that you should write because AI sometimes doesn't pick your words or doesn't pick the right words. So you should write. So I came with that mentality. But then when I met with people who had already given the AI interview, yeah, so no. On the day of my interview.
Achha, on the day of the interview, that they were telling you, and you spoke to other people as well.
Yes, they came out and they said that don't try to write because it will take a lot of time and then the AI won't be able to ask you much questions.
Right.
So
So
for
as we
me,
were
it was
speaking,
like I went inside and the questions were actually very well framed by AI. So it had picked on all the resume keywords.
How many questions were there? I'll go to Sagnik. Sagnik, कितने questions तेरे को पूछे गए?
I was approximately asked 8 to 10 questions within
Yeah.
a span of 12 minutes by
Okay.
the AI. And as Jasleen rightly pointed out, they were mainly based on the SOP, the keywords on the SOP. And from there on, along with the culmination of a couple of hygiene questions, both of them, a mix of both, were pretty much presented to me. And while for Jasleen, she was telling about the typing, when I had my AI interview, so I was not warned exactly, but I was notified that it's better to use the transcript as it will help you to catch the voice catch the voice and transcribe the text in a faster way. And also like that, I felt that it was I felt a lot more confident when I was approaching the transcript.
Super. And when you are writing, तो पीछे वाला जो panelist बैठा है, who can also ask you some questions, उसको कुछ पता ही नहीं तुम क्या टाइप कर रहे हो, उसको दिख रहा है?
There was a timer.
हाँ.
Yeah.
So we had to do complete an interview, and then after our interview, he asked questions, 2-3 questions.
Correct. But if you're typing it down, he's able to see the
No,
screen?
He actually told us to do the voice.
Do the voicing so that he can also listen to it.
Yeah.
And the interview was a bit different for everyone. For
Huh.
some people, the AI asked us question, then the panel also asked us question. But for some people, it was just the AI, and the panel was just noting it down how we are performing in the AI.
No, so also the thing is that जो panel वाले हैं उनके पास भी resume था already. So ऐसा नहीं है कि if we are writing, he is totally unaware of who we are or what
Got it.
what our back.
Understood. प्रेरित तू मुश्किल काम कर, थोड़े hacks बता यार इनको, चोरी करने के तरीके क्या हैं? क्योंकि I know the hacks which I'll tell you later on, not on this camera, but कुछ hack है कि यार SOP ऐसे लिखो, ऐसे बनाओ.
SOP, sir, I too come from a very diverse background. MBA, although I am a engineer, but then I chose my field to be media and entertainment after that for my experience. And उसके बाद SOP तो I generally framed it on how my life trajectory has been. But जो hack I felt worked for me was even though as soon as you step in for the interview, first 12 minutes the AI took, then the next 8 minutes the panelist took. So as soon as you sit in, the AI bombards you with the questions. So SOP जैसे ही चालू हुआ, so you just keep 3-4 keywords as such that the AI can actually pick on, and you can actually drive the conversation from there.
Awesome.
Between those 8 to 10 questions, there was this one question related to the general knowledge. Mine was related to chemistry or something because I had a BTech background. So that's where AI detects all.
Yeah, I think the AI was also very adaptive. They were listening to
Yeah,
answers, and according to that, also it was forwarding answers.
For me, it was completely media and entertainment. So I too was in my comfort zone. I was talking about everything that I know, and even the panelists was enjoying. I mean, they didn't show it as such, but by the way they asked me the questions, it was pretty evident.
Awesome.
So I had put Kathak in my co-curricular in the SOP, and the AI took that also. So
And I remember AI asking me, especially during the lockdown period in 2020. So I had put in my SOP something of conducting webinars conducting webinars during lockdowns and how we coordinated as a team during our undergrad days. So AI was asking me questions regarding to that, as to what were the parameters and how did you conduct the webinar, how did you choose the relevant topics,
Nice.
etc.
Nice. Superb, yeah,
So
superb.
it was basically checking what a person holds a quality, or like it was basically nothing to be feared of. It was a general conversation.
Yeah. It was very in-depth, I'd say. So even if your language is not the even if it was English, even if there were words like Jasleen clearly mentioned कि कथक भी लिखा था, तो they
He was able to read it
relevant
out.
Similar to
questions.
the
So it was a good process overall, right?
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
Right.
It was a very different thing. It was very new for us all.
Hmm.
We didn't know what to expect or what to do.
पता ही नहीं है.
But yeah, it was
क्या?
Also, the thing is AI के साथ में ये भी बोलते हैं कि it's very neutral. Like एक बार एक interviewer जो बैठा है वो उसको थोड़ा fatigue आ सकता है towards the end of the day.
Correct.
But AI है तो for the first candidate and for the last candidate it will be the same.
Super.
Yeah.
जो पीछे इंसान बैठा हुआ है, let's go one by one. तो वो पीछे वाला का कशिश, how much time did he spend with you? Did he ask you some questions after the AI interview?
Yeah, so with me, they just asked me like two questions. One was, what are your most strongest points according to your friend?
Okay.
And what do you think your friend thinks about you? What are your strong points?
Understood.
So it was very generic question. But yeah, it was just two questions.
How about you, Navya?
My interviewer just asked me my strengths and weaknesses.
Okay, that's it.
For me, they were like, for me, ma'am, Dr. Hema Bajaj ma'am was there.
अच्छा.
And she just, she's the area chairperson of HR. So she was full on HR. Why do you want to join NM? Why are you not exploring other options? I mean, उस time तो बोलना पड़ता है कि NM IMSC है. वैसे था.
Sir, आप ही हो.
Yes,
बस
yes.
बस यही आना है.
I've been a Bombay boy through and through. So NM, I mean, feels like home.
Yeah, of course.
For me, basis of internship, I did HR और social media marketing में. So AI के interview के बाद में, the panelist asked me my marketing knowledge, and then since I put singing in my SOP, so she asked me to sing as well.
On the spot.
Yeah, I had
Wow.
to, and I had to show that confidence. So I did do the singing thing as well.
For the
Maybe.
चलो बेटा आज.
No, but it was me. It was like a chill thing because 12 minutes interview and then the panelist asked, the person asked you to sing the best part. So,
वाह, क्या बात है. अगर गाना अच्छा गाना आता है तो बहुत बढ़िया है ना. प्रेरित को बोल दिया तो मुझे बोल दिया. हाँ, एंड में बोला आप मुंबई आ सकते हो.
मुंबई आ सकते हैं.
I hope.
Superb. How would you miss call?
For me, it was like sir took a lot of time with me. So it was like a second round of interview. So he asked a lot of personal questions. He
Good 10-12 मिनट अच्छा.
more than that.
Okay.
So I have a family business background. I mentioned that. So he went deep inside that and how is the environment and what is it all about. Then I prepared for UPSC. So he asked me about that also.
Oh nice. Why did you leave UPSC? ये सब क्वेश्चन आते हैं.
No, not like that, but the thought process behind.
Awesome.
For me, it was around 4-5 minutes at max. I'll be honest. And while the AI interview did drive towards the SOP part, and the panelist on the other side, he was more focused towards about what are your future goals and ambitions post the MBA in pharma where you are trying to pursue. So what do you want to do after that? So that was mainly towards on that side.
बहुत ही बढ़िया.
That's just for the personality check, that how you'll be able to maintain your personality.
Awesome. Great यार AI टेस्ट तक तो जब पहुंचोगे जब तुम कॉम्पिटेंसी टेस्ट क्लियर करोगे, राइट? कॉम्पिटेंसी टेस्ट एलिमिनेशन है कि उसी दिन पे होता है? एलिमिनेशन नहीं है, उसी दिन पे आपको करना है.
Competency test, then we
Competency test is in a classroom, is in a group,
No,
big
no.
group.
It
कैसा?
was conducted in lab and I guess there was weightage for competency test and the AI interview.
Yeah,
उसका
yeah.
composite score was calculated
Yeah.
and it was not like competency के बाद में we will crack the AI वाला. It
अच्छा.
was simultaneously.
There were mental ability,
Logical reasoning and management and verbal wala. And yeah, questions were a mixed pool. It was not NMAT या any other entrance exam specific. It was from HR. I still remember there were 2 questions. So HR से related थे. I had a question from finance, GK. So it was a mixture.
अगर उसका कुछ प्रिपरेशन करना हो, देखो 3 पार्ट. एक तो वर्बल एबिलिटी 9 क्वेश्चंस, दैट इज क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग, little bit of that का decision making type of questions were there, and there is mental ability, problem solving, then critical thinking, accuracy. CAT के DILR के set. Mental ability is DILR types, okay, and the managerial ability, snap level. अच्छा, level was not that tough. Okay,
It
good.
wasn't, yeah. mental ability was very easy. So I mean, when we gave NMAT के बाद ऐसा लगा कि अच्छा चलो हो गया अभी. But then they bombarded us with 50% weightage to competency, and then we were like, oh, what's gonna happen? As soon as we stepped in the lab, we were like, जैसे ही चालू हुआ, it felt like, oh, it's gonna get over now. मतलब time पता ही नहीं चला उस 45 minutes में कैसे निकल गया.
And
the
this
difficulty level were not the same for everyone. So every day the difficulty level was different.
oh, was it increasing? Is it a pattern or was it ऐसा कुछ
No,
नहीं?
There is no pattern.
किसी को
no
difficult है.
pattern.
Good. So it's for
Pressure as well, that there are so many candidates now,
Yeah.
because everyone wants a second chance. So it was like for many people they wanted to give that again. So the candidates number increased. So there was always a pressure.
super यार. देखो
I remember one question. It was related to face value of something stocks and all. But yeah, if you're a commerce student, you should go through it because it will be really helpful.
Yeah,
Super.
even I got a lot of, especially in managerial ability, even I got a lot of finance related questions.
I got a mix of marketing, HR, finance. So it was a fusion of all the three sectors
Yes.
when it comes to the managerial ability. And speaking of the LOD, the level of difficulty, it kept on fluctuating.
Up and down for sure.
Yeah.
But 45 minutes plus 3 marks and total 60 marks, but 50% of the weightage is for the competency test. तो भाई अगर तुम्हारा एक बार इंटरव्यू कॉल आ गया उसके बाद competency test तो फाड़ना ही फाड़ना है. Turn the world upside down. On dashboard you've given a lot of competency tests also this
Yeah.
year for the students.
Yeah, it was one sample that we have to give before. Like competency test का basically
एक sample दिखा था
एक
ना?
sample दे रखा था side पे.
Oh, very nice. And NMAT की side पे
Yeah,
भी.
NMAT.
It was similar lines as well.
Yeah.
almost
बढ़िया.
More of a practice test, and what was immensely helpful was the competence assessment mocks which were in the dashboard.
Yeah.
So I remember before entering the NMIMS interview GD processes, all the processes, the competence test, then the API, I had given all the 5 competence mocks. So
Okay,
that was immense.
So do give the Cat King family mocks. They're going to be really, really helpful for sure. Superb, yaar. I'm really enjoying this conversation. All of those guys, maybe they are going to be in this side of the table. We can keep on talking. एक बार इनका interview call आ जाए तो I'm going to call you guys to help them up to convert it out.
Sure,
हाँ?
sure.
Pakka. That's the power of Cat King family. Boys and girls, any parting thoughts to all our YouTube family who are listening to this? By Sagnik, everybody, one parting thoughts to all of them. Now they're going through the same stress. What they're going to.
Is that just believe in yourself and never give up. There will be moments where you'll feel like कि यार नहीं हो पा रहा है, छोड़ देते हैं. It doesn't work that way. But it's all about hanging in there and seeing the journey through and making things happen. Because once you come to this side, life is going to be totally different.
In good way or bad way वो पता नहीं, but हाँ different तो होगी.
I तो wanna say,
हाँ.
yeah, I wanna say, just stay calm, stay hydrated, and attend the 11:30 live. After that, your mind is gonna get refreshed because the next day when you wake up, now you're gonna start with the same hustle because that's what happened with me.
That's awesome. Great. Anything else?
So for me, it's like कि कुछ भी क्या होगा वो मत सोचो. Like you say, रब रखा. It's actually
देखी जाएगी जो होगा. Yes, मुस्कान.
For me, stay consistent with your preparation and like I still remember मैंने कभी stress नहीं लिया because जब stress आता था सर के videos देख के उन्होंने पहले से ही material collect करके रखा हुआ था कि ये कर लो next day के लिए अपने आप. तो I used to prepare that only.
Great. Yes, Kashish.
Guys, one suggestion: stay in present. ज़्यादा future का मत सोचो. ज़्यादा overthink मत करो. Just be yourself. हो जाएगा, clear हो जाएगा. Just believe in yourself.
कहना आसान है.
Sir, I'm gonna shout out to Tushar here.
Yeah.
Tushar helped me with my PI prep, and although I gave 1 or 2 only,
Yeah.
but then through every day, मतलब पूरा interview तक, he used to send current affairs, everything. So
Tushar is part of Cat King family. He is Goldman Sachs and Calcutta. He keeps coming back. He was on my channel बहुत पहले. And they're saying if you guys crack a top business school, you will eat palak paneer at my place. And he was sitting next to me. And he came on a webinar, in fact, day free yesterday on the session as well. Great, yaar. Kashish, parting thoughts to all our people.
Yeah, according to me, just like believe in yourself and you're going to achieve everything. No need to take stress from it.
बहुत बढ़िया. Good.
So guys, one more thing that I would like to add, that mocks Cat King के बिल्कुल पक्का देना, because मैंने भी वहीं से किया था and it really helped me.
मुझे बोलने वाली बिल्कुल मत देना. मैंने बोला ये क्या है?
बिल्कुल देना, because it really helped.
पक्का genuinely they were helpful.
Genuinely,
Yeah, generally,
मैंने
yeah.
romance के सारे mocks
सारे
Cat
marks
King
दिए.
से
बहुत ही बढ़िया.
Immensely helped me because when I was working, I didn't get much time to prepare. I'll be honest with you, in 2024 especially, the main year. So that's when the mocks really came in handy.
Super.
Not only did it help me to to build the momentum, but it also helped me to stay consistent with my preparation.
Awesome.
So
Also-
always.
Also, there was this analysis part also where you can compare all your mocks and you can check your progress.
That's my
Apart from the mocks as well, there's this GDPI wala course as well, which you can do, because SOP ke time pe I still remember there was checking going on, so I actually uploaded it and I received the feedback.
superb. I want to use the word bloody, but कर ही देते हैं. You bloody get an interview call, will turn the world upside down. तुम ये 209, 210 जो भी कट ऑफ है वो क्लियर करके आओ. बाकी भाई तुम्हें हेल्प करना है आगे इनका.
All the best.
Yeah, all the best.
That's so amazing. Thank you for joining, boys and girls. Do the like button for sure. और मुझे कमेंट करके बताइए, do you have any questions regarding NMIMS, regarding DT और Analytics और HR, या कई लोग इस वीडियो को बाद में सुन रहे होंगे, इंटरव्यू कॉल्स आने के बाद, कन्वर्ट्स होने के बाद. Life at NMIMS, more than happy. और इस वीडियो को शेयर करो अपने बाकी दोस्तों के साथ. तुम भी शेयर कर देना यार. You guys are role model.
Without saying.
Thank you so much. क्या बोलते हैं? Like, share.
Like, share, subscribe.
Thank you so much, guys. Take care. See you in the comment section. Bye bye.